offline cleaning means that to clean the filter bags, you need to shut down the airflow going through the system to clean the filters. When we turn off the dust collector fan, the cleaning system usually is still on, the airlock is still on, all the sensors and probes and all that stuff are still on, a lot of the other conveyors and stuff are still on. But when we turn off the Baghouse, we're mainly talking about turning off the system fan, okay? So when that turns off, there's no more air going through the Baghouse, okay? So one way to clean the filters is with a system where you have to turn the fan off and then clean the filters. Or you can achieve this on your systems where you have the Baghouse actually has different modules. So you can leave the system fan running, so air is still moving through the dust collector, but each module, you have little dampers here that isolates the compartment that you're in. So for example, all of your big Baghouses, you had at least like 4 to 8 compartments, or modules you guys call them, on each dust collection system. So you call Baghouse 1, but actually Baghouse 1 has what, 4 or 6 modules in it, okay? Which are kind of like individual little Baghouses, the way we build them, but because we're all tied together, we call them one Baghouse, okay? So you could either turn off the airflow for the whole Baghouse and clean the filters, or you can isolate the compartment, so no air is going through it, all the air is going through the other compartments. Now the other style of cleaning is a cleaning system where the filters are cleaned online or continuously, meaning the fan, it continues to run, the airflow keeps going through the dust collector, and we clean the filters while it's running. So this means that when we clean the filters, the air is still being pulled through by the big fan. So the air is going up and going through the filters and out. And at the same time, we're going to try to do something to the filters to make the dust cake fall off and fall down, okay? So that's important because if you have a pulse jet Baghouse and you have to turn the Baghouse fan off to clean the filters, it means that something is wrong. Okay, when we design them and we install them to start, they're designed in such a way that they can clean perfectly fine while the system's running.